G'day folks, Connor here from Seeduby's Tech Reviews, back with another video. Today's a quick video just to go through the giveaways for my channel. I've been trying to do giveaways and I've fallen behind in announcing the winners, so some of these have already been sent out and some of you will have to contact me if you are the lucky winner, so we can arrange postage and stuff like that. But Simply carbon fibre case for the Galaxy Note 9 worth 90 Australian dollars is going to Changoy Leon 2007. Mate, hit me up, give me your contact details in the comments and I will come back to you. The Simply Carbon Fibre iPhone XS case is going to Liz from Country Victoria in Australia. She has already received her case. The Easy SMX gaming headset and controller has gone to Greg W. Greg already has his prize. The Ambi Climate Smart Home Air Conditioning Waze Bang thingy is going to Prabjot. Prabjot already has the Ambi Climate system sent out to him. I think he's already got it set up and using it. And the final one is the Umidigi A3 Pro. That is going to go to Joe Blow. Joe, hit me up in the comments. Send me your details so I can get in touch with you. If no one gets in touch with me to claim their prize, I'll probably just sell them on eBay or something or keep them. So there you go. Hopefully everyone reaches out so they can get their prize. Thanks to those of you who subscribe to the channel. We recently passed 2,000 subscribers, which was big for me. Really appreciate it. There's going to be lots more videos coming. Hit me up in the comments if you have suggestions for the channel, for videos, whatever it might be. I really appreciate all your time and your comments and all that sort of thing. So thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.